This is why people want to live in the West Ward.
The West Ward is one of Aurelia's most established neighborhoods, known for mature trees, quiet streets, and a relaxed pace that makes it feel home the moment you arrive. People love the character here. The neighborhood is filled with well-kept homes, long-time residents, and a strong sense of community that's been built over decades. There are several parks and green spaces scattered throughout the West Ward, giving families and residents plenty of places to walk, play, or just get outside and enjoy the day. Another big advantage is location. With quick access to Highway 11, commuting or heading north to Cottage Country is easy, while still being just minutes from downtown Aurelia and everyday amenities. Homes in the West Ward typically start in the low 400s, but can reach over $1 million depending on lot size, updates, and the style of the home. It's quiet, established, and full of character, a neighborhood where people want to settle in and stay. I hope you found this video helpful. If you ever have questions about the West Ward or you're thinking about making a move to the area, feel free to reach out. I'm Josh Buchanan with Buchanan Real Estate.